2016 Ford F-150 4x4 front end lift kit, 2-inch leveling spacer. We're going to do the back later, but this is going to be 2 minutes, guys. I'm going to show you everything you need that fast. Alright guys, so first step, you're going to chock your rear wheel, jack your truck up, and put it on a stand to make sure it's safe. Now remove your front wheel. We're going to remove the supports for our brake hose and our ABS wiring. Next step, we're going to remove the sway bar link nut. This step here, we're going to remove the nut that holds our tie rod end on, our upper ball joint, and then the 2 nuts that hold the strut, the lower strut in. There's 3 bolts with nuts on them on the top of the strut. We're going to remove those. Lastly, you're going to pop this cap off and remove the nut inside. We're going to lower the suspension and remove the strut. Now we're going to hammer these 2 studs out on the bottom of the strut. That way we could reinstall it. Now mount your lift spacer to the top of the strut with the supplied hardware. Okay, now you're ready to put it together. Put your strut up into place. Start 3 of the bolts up on top. You're going to take a pry bar and you're going to pry this lower part of the strut into place. Not too hard. We're going to start the bolts in the bottom and tighten up the bolts up top. Jack your control arm up, start your tie rod nut and your ball joint nut. Now that everything's started, we're going to tighten it up. We're going to tighten these 3 bolts to hold the cable and the brake hose in. And lastly, we're going to tighten this nut and put the cap on. Alright guys, now we're going to put our wheel on, lower the vehicle, and we're done.